Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. We are already on Christmas card series number 6. Let's jump right in to the stamp set. I use Season to Shine stamp set from Penny Black. For me, this is very beautiful stamps. I love how they illustrate this and especially this candle with holder. You can also add the Noel sentiment in the middle of the candle. I color them with my Daniel Smith watercolors, and I also use my Zig markers to color I think the leaves and the berries and also the lights, the yellow part of the candle. And now we're going to die cut this with the coordinating die set, and then I will just line it up and tape it, so when I run this through my die cutting machine it's not going to shift. For the background, I use 3 embossing folders. I have this Sizzix texture fades, and I also use this 3D textured impressions called sweater. I love this embossed sweater on white cardstock. I die cut or I embossed 2 of those, and I also embossed this ones on white cardstock. Now we're going to do some splattering using my gold paint. I'm going to use the red gold from Ganzai Tambi Starry Colors. I added a little bit of water, and then I mixed the color, and then now I'm going to add it on my acrylic block and splatter it on my embossed cardstocks. And now the background panels are ready. I'm going to adhere them on our A2 size top folding card bases. I'm using a maroon colored cardstock from Paper Tree Ink. I'm also going to adhere my images on my cards. I will add the candle in the middle and add the greenery sort of behind the candle. I also added some of these stars on this one card here, and I will scatter some of the iridescent sequins around the cards. For the inside of the cards, I will stamp this sentiment from the stamp set on white cardstock and add this inside the cards. I will also add the leftover greeneries in between the sentiments. And finally, I will add the stamped sentiments in the inside of the cards. And here are my beautiful cards. I love the backgrounds and the die cut images. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.